Hey, good evening, Mep here, Mep Investments. Hope you had a great Easter and a great weekend. Happy Easter to all the subscribers and everyone out there. Um, Another crazy day in the market today. Let's pull up CNBC. We had the Dow Jones down. Everything was pretty flat, to be honest with you, but we had some good action to both sides, up and down. Um, so it was pretty flat. If we look at these charts here, nothing with a big move, less than a quarter of a percent here. This was flat, less than a quarter percent. Russell gave up almost a quarter of a percent, and the VIX was down over 2%. If we look at the charts here on stock charts, here's the Q chart. So we're under the moving average, couple big red bars, and then we have a little bar here, um, and it closed in the middle. So that could be, I think, bearish in my opinion. I think interest rates are going to continue to go higher. Um, and if we get the 10-year over 3%, then we're going to have more of a sell-off. And I think we will test these lows and uh, and maybe make even more lows, in my opinion. Um, IWM, let's take a look at the IWM and then the Dow. IWM was down more than the other ones today, and it's actually been, in my opinion, the one that's been acting the best. And the Dow Jones has been pretty decent, and it's above the moving average. Um, on the I put this private here. On the not that it matters, but you already saw it, so it don't matter. Here on the futures, we opened up 2.86, down a little bit, 0.01 on the 10-year. The one that keeps mind-boggling me is the dollar. Uh, I don't get that one. It's really, really crazy. Um, my Thinkorswim has been running a little slow. Let me see if I can put it up here. Uh, at 100.82, up 50. So up half a percent today, the Dixie, the dollar. And we still had other foreign currencies. We have them here green in the futures. They opened up at 6. Bitcoin I think was under 40K. Well, I want to say I saw it at 30. Oh no, I guess not. Well, we just opened. But I could have sworn I saw it under 40K. Well, it's well over 40K right now. Oil down a little bit to 107.05. S&P up right now 1175 to almost 4400. Gold off a little bit to 1981. Copper at 480. I think copper is going to break 480 and head to 5 um, here in the near future. Um, it's been in this range for a while, and I think we're going to have the next leg up in copper as these commodity, in my opinion, commodity super cycle enters uh, its new phase. Um, and I think this is far from over. Nasdaq up 56 in regards to commodities going up 13,964. Net gas at 774, down 7 cents. Amazing run in natural gas. I got people saying in chat rooms, no, this is a bubble. This is gonna pop. It's a bubble. Natural gas was at 15 bucks. We could pull up the chart here. Let's go to NG. Right here, $15 in, I want to say it was oh five, 1565. I mean, sure, we can have a little pullback. I'm not going to say we can have a little pullback. I mean, look at this bar. But I mean, you can see it's a clean break on the chart. It's a clean break of resistance. You know, I mean, I think you're gonna see more highs. That's just silver's 26. Nice bump up in silver. Take a look at the silver chart. I mean, there's no reason why silver cannot break 30 and go to its old highs of 49, 82, $50. There's just no reason it can't. I mean, I think all the fundamentals are aligning for it to happen. And it's like this for a lot of commodities. Gold, uh, gold had a high here of, this is a 20-year chart. Here was a high of 1923, 1917 on these two candles, and then it hit a high of 2089 actually in 20. I mean, there's no reason why we can't continue to go higher. Um, that's just my 2 cents on that. Interest rates, um, I mean, bonds have been crashing. There's no safety anywhere. So has the Nasdaq and S&P. Dow and Russell have been better. But let's take a look at the 10-year. Look how bonds are crashing. I mean, they are crashing, crashing. Um, this would be your next support level here. And I mean, we're going to go through that. I mean, the Fed just has said that they're going to raise interest rates. And when bonds sell off, interest rates go higher. And this is where we're headed. We're headed probably to here and even probably lower. Um, that's the 10-year. The 30 years ZB, same thing. ZB is already is pretty much getting to its support, and we shall break this trend line on the long term. I mean, I'm not going to tell you there's not going to be daily gyrations in the direction that you want. I'm just telling you the trend over the long haul, and the Fed is telling you that they're going to uh, raise interest rates, which causes bonds to sell off. Now, um, commodities in regards to grains, I think corn hit a new high today. Look at corn. I mean, we're going to have higher food prices. My best performer is Mosaic. Mosaic, here we go. So this is my best stock right now I'm holding. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, this was a $163 stock back in the day in '08. Look at that run. There's no reason why we can't continue that. You need fertilizer for food, and it is my biggest winner at 2,896 profit. I'm up 418% on this trade. Still holding. I got 2 years on this trade. I have the 50 call in there. Um, my next winner is Silica, United Steel, Tech, a copper play, Energy ETF, Star Bulk Carrier, Patterson, another energy play, BTU, a coal name, Cynics, aluminum play, Southwestern, which I love. Take a look at Southwestern's chart. Southwestern Energy. I mean, this was a $52 stock. I mean, and it's been in the in the pooper scooper here in the past couple years, and now it's time for it to shine. And I think you will see this in the double digits in the near future, in my opinion. Um, then I have a lot of other ones that I'm up, nice percentages, but I'm going to hold them because I've been watching them and then they've been trending well. Um, Nat Nat Tanker has been another good winner for me, and this one had a good day for me today. SJT and UNG and Cameco, which I've mentioned before, really like it. I think the one of the Ninja Brothers on CNBC mentioned that there was a lot of call buying in CCJ. So Let's take a look at wheat. Here's the wheat chart, and here's more or less on the Ukraine, and they halted the futures. But wheat was at the high here was 1350. I could have sworn wheat was higher, but we're coming up on all-time highs. And soybeans coming up on all. Sorry, was yawning there. Had a great weekend with the fam. Enjoyed the sun, the Keys, and good Easter. Here you see soybean 1789 up, and no, commodity bull market. Out of the commodities that I've been watching, I mean, the ones that lag the most, of course, is natural gas. I think there's so much room to this upside on natural gas. That is a liquid product to trade, and you can get exposure through ETFs or uh, underlying stocks. Oil can still go much higher. Hit 147 back in the day. Um, we're well up over this resistance line here, well above it. Got a little pullback here in the after hours. Copper, here's the all-time copper, and copper is basically at all-time highs. Well, this is a 20-year chart. I don't know. You could throw a max chart on here. You can do a max. Oh, sorry, max. Yeah. So that's the max chart on that. And I like Freeport McMoran and Tech here. Trying to see if I can get pullbacks on one of those names, pick up some extra shares. Um, I think the market's going to have a tough time. I think interest rates you're going to have a one day that's just going to push to the upside, the interest rates, and a lot of money's going to get scared, and they're going to plunge into commodities still. I think that's where you want to be. We're in a very high inflation area, and if interest rates are going to climb, um, tech supposedly won't work. That's what they say. So, and that's what the historians say, and all the smart economists. And that's what I see when I watch the tape and trends. Um, on the screener front, I really like concentrating on these top rated stocks under 10. And then you got the IBD 50. I know Tejas had recommended Comstock, CRK. It's doing really good. I did some calendar spreads in there. I don't think I'm up much on there, but I did get some action in there. And it's highly ranked on the Investor Business Daily chart. Had a call action. Options are expensive in here. I'm only up 14 bucks. So what I did was I put some calendars here, and I was hoping that the front month would expire worthless, and I would stay with the back months. Um, but the stock's been running pretty good, so I have to look at it more tomorrow. Maybe we get a pullback, and I can do something in there. This is a bio name who's hit pretty good today. Not good. I have a couple shares, and I might be stopped out of there soon, I think. AMPH, if I didn't get stopped out. I might have been stomped out. Not sure. Actually, no, I only got 10 shares at 36 bucks. My stop is still way down here, so I'm okay with that one. I didn't really want to go heavy in there. I don't really know much about them, and bio is very, very unsure. One bad news, and stocks are wiped out. So on the top 50, I would say Comstock had the best day. Really nice day. Followed by another shipper, CMRE, but no volume. Eagle shipper, nice volume. I did a call calendar. LXU, I own some shares, did decent. That's pretty much it on the top IBD 50s, but any price range. Now, on the top rated stocks under 10 bucks, there were a lot of great ones. ESPN, I mean, not ESPN, we're talking about EPSN, an energy play, not the sports channel. Uh, Up 53 cents, 7%, 552 volume change. TGA, own it. PHX, own it. This is a pawn shop. It was down. A biopharma picked up a little bit of ASRT. EGY, great day. MMLP, decent day. Was up. It was up more today, but it gave some back. I want to say it was at 570, 580. I think I saw it. Actually hit 598. Then it pulled back. Unfortunately, don't know why, but it pulled back. Um, yeah, pulled back. Um, UTI had a decent day. Cressy, they own farmland and stuff like that in Argentina and developments. OBE, another energy play, nice day today, up 6.5%. WTI, take a look at that one. I think it broke moving averages. It can go up to 650. Um, I got into WTI. I think you should too. I really like the chart and the action it had today. I'll probably uh, name this video WTI. It was up 11%, and I did get in it today. It was a very nice day in the stock. Uh, we had, and it's a lot of oil names that's working right now. So we had 6 million shares traded. Normally only trades in the last 10 days 3.5 million, and it was a $6.68 range on the 52-week high, and it has 12% short interest. So I like this name. Um, if you look at the chart, it got over the 50-day moving average, and a nice bar. And I don't see why this thing can't see 650 here. So I did get long WTI offshore, um, and I'm looking for more room to the upside here. And a lot of these are oil names, TGA, gas, EGY, OBE. Write these names down. These are great small cap ticker symbols. Look at these great returns on the day. Another positive day for me. Uh, Hitting singles and doubles, looking to get positive here within the next coming couple of months and finish the year green. Um, but yeah, I really like these names here. These are my favorite names. They've really been moving. Um, Take snapshots of this, write them down. Um, get IBD if you want. They have great deals sometimes. I think it's helpful. On the downside, and the most actives here, and on the top rated ones, UEC, I bought some more, and ASRT, I added some more. I didn't really touch anything else on that front. And that's pretty much my recap today. So my trade of the day is WTI. Watch for that. I will say a price target of 650. And share the video, like it, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Chime in on the bottom if you have any questions or any uh, ideas. Always open to hear them. Love the dialogue. And share the video. Share it with people interested in the financial markets and setting themselves up for a better future. Stay in the hustle. Good things happen to people who work hard and hustle and study. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a good night.